Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can build advanced custom WordPress table very easily. Firstly, I need to install a plugin. I am going to add new plugin page. Search here with Cadence. This is the plugin Gutenberg block with AI by Cadence WP. We need to install and activate this plugin. Already I installed and activated this plugin. I am going to all post section. I am going to edit this post. After this introduction, I want to add a advanced table. Click on this plus add block icon. After that, search here with table advance. This is the block and this block is coming from Kadence Block plugin. Click on this block. After clicking this block, it's saying table layout, how many columns and how many row you want to use. Just select it from here. For example, if you want 3 column, just write here 3. If you want 5 row, just write here 5. And after that, click on create table. This is the table. I am going to customize this table step by step. After clicking here, if I come to the right side, we are on general settings. First option is how many rows and columns. We already selected 5 row and 3 columns, but after creating, if you think you need 4 columns, just write here 4. It will be 4 column here. If you want to make the row number 4, just put 4 here, then here will be total 4 row. After that is header function. If you want to enable first row is header, just enable it from here and first row will be header. Even if you wish first column is header, you can make the first column header. I am not using this option, just I am going to disable it. So only first row is header. Next option is column width. Right now all column is auto width and you see here is mentioned auto. But if you don't want to use auto width, you can give manual width. Just deselect it and put the number here. It might be percentage, like 30% would be the first column, 30% would be the second column, or 40%. As per you need, you can customize it, or you can use the pixel, but I think auto width is perfect. But if you need to make the custom width, you can use this option. I'm going to reverse to auto width. And next option is sticky settings. That's for pro option. It's not available on this free version. Come to the next option, table sizing. If you want to give max height, max width, you can mention it here. And if you wish, you can enable overflow X scroll. Now I am going to the style settings. From here, click to the style. First option is border. Right now there has no border. If you wish, you can give 2 pixel border and you can select the border color by clicking here. I'm going to select this color as a border color. You see border is displaying here. Next option is only apply to rows. If I enable these things, you see only row border is displaying, but there is no column border. I'm going to disable this option, then column and row both will be in border. Cell padding. Right now this cell padding is XXS. If you wish, you can make it large. You see cell padding is getting large, or you can minimize. This parameter is like small, medium, large, but if you wish, you can make it pixel. Just click here. After clicking here, it's showing the pixel. You see it's pixel. If you wish, you can give custom padding. For example, at the top you want 15 pixel, so you can make 15 pixel. In the right, if you wish, 20 pixel. So by this way you can add the custom padding. And next option is cell typography. If I click the right side arrow, you will get that cell typography settings. I'm going to write some dummy word, demo. I'm going to paste this demo word for the first column. Now if I make the text alignment center, you see text is going to center. I have added few demo text here. Now it will be easy to understand if I make align left or right. For example, right now it's on align center. If I want to make it align left, it's going to align left, you see. And if I want to make it align right, it's going to align right. Align left is perfect. And next option is text color. If I want to change the text color, then I have to click on this right icon, click here. After that, I want this as a text color. I am selecting it and save the post. After that, view the post. You see text color is changed. For example, you want to change this text color to the this color. You see text color again changed. Come to the next option, it's font size. If you wish, you can make small, medium, large, or in the right side this icon, if you click, it would be the pixel. For example, you want 20 pixel or 30 pixel, text size will be 30 pixel. Next, come to the line height. If I wish, I can make the 5 as a line height. It's not standard, it's very big. I think I'm making it 2 pixel or 1.2. I think it's the perfect. Next option is font family. If you wish, you can change the font family from here. Next option is font weight. By default, it's the inherit. If you wish, you can make it extra bold, but inherit is the perfect. Next is letter spacing. If you need to increase or decrease the letter spacing, you can customize from here. So cell typography, all settings done. I'm going to minimize it. Next option is header typography. If I click on this arrow icon, here all of the option is similar as like cell typography, just you can go one by one and your header will be changed. If I come to the next option is row backgrounds. If I click on this right side arrow icon, I can make even or odd background differently. If I enable this option, it's saying background color and next one is odd background color. First one is even background color. So if I change this color to this one, even background color is going to this. And if I want to change the odd background color to this color, then it would be this. I'm going to reverse the even or odd background color. By using this option, you can add even or odd background color. Next, in the right side, there has hover option. If you wish, you can add the hover color. For the even, I am adding this as a hover color. When I am hovering, you see color is changing. Next option is column background. If you wish, you can give the column background also individually. For the first column, I am going to change the background to this color. So column background is going to change. If you wish, you can change column 2 background. Even in the right side, there has hover option. You can change the hover color also. I'm going to reverse this color. And next option is row height. If I click on this right side arrow icon, you can set the row height also from here. All of the settings I already explained from the style option. Now I am going to the advanced option. Here you can add the padding, margin, and if you click on this advanced option, you can add additional CSS class name here. By using this option, you can make more customization of this table, and this table is 100% responsive. It will perfectly fit for any device or any mobile. I believe after watching this tutorial, you can easily create a table and you can customize the table as per your need. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and uploading, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.